Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back on my channel. Let's start general knowledge question answers. First question is, which is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. Which is the latitude that runs through the center of the earth? Equator. What are the names of 5 oceans of the world? Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Which country has the highest population? China. Which is the longest river in the world? The Nile, Africa. Which is the largest waterfall in the world? Victoria Falls. Which is the largest desert in the world? Sahara Desert. What are the branches of a river called? Tributaries. Which is the largest island in the world? Greenland. What heats the water in the hot spring? Magma. Which is the coldest continent in the world? Antarctica. Which is the world's smallest country? Vatican City. Where is Colosseum located? Rome, Italy. Where is the Tower Bridge located? London, UK. Where is the leaning tower of Pisa located? Pisa, Italy. How many countries are present in Africa? 54 countries. Which planet is closest to planet Earth? Venus. What erupts from a volcano? Lava, steam, ash, pieces of rock, and gaseous sulfur compounds. What is the name of strait that separates the North and South Island of New Zealand? Cook Strait. Which is the direction at which wind blows? Leeward direction. The roof of the world is referred to which place? Pyramid Knot. What is the currency of Cambodia? Riel. What is the dew point? The temperature at which dew begins to evaporate. How do you measure the speed of wind? Anemometer. Name the river that is not crossed by any bridge. Amazon. Which is the world's largest port? The Port of Shanghai. Name the city that is located in 2 countries. Istanbul. Where can you find the St. Basil's Cathedral? Moscow, Russia. Where is Loch Ness located? Highland, Scotland. Where is Aeropolis situated? Athens, Greece. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Allah Hafiz till next video.